Welcome to Nichols Vision. My name is Peter. I'm a car guy. It's 2 Minute Tuesday. This is my friend's NSX. Roll the intro. So if you're new to the channel, this is my series where I find interesting cars and people and I give them 2 minutes to do a build breakdown. I figured 2 minutes was enough time to give people because your attention span is next to nothing nowadays. So today we have Tony's 99 Acura NSX or Honda, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna put 2 minutes on the clock here since people are telling me to point there. And it's your turn, Tony. You're up to bat.
My name's Tony, and this is my 99 Acura NSX. This is the 3.2 with the 6-speed versus the NA1 that has the 3-liter with the 5-speed on it. This car is originally Kaiser Silver, and right now it is Aqua Gloss Blue by Avery Dennison with the gloss black on the top. The wheels are Volk TE37s. They're powder-coated custom chalk gray. Car has a BC Racing coilover suspension with a stance cup kit on it. The cup kit is raises and lowers the front of the car by the push of a button, basically. Helps clear inclines or leaves in the road, basically, since the car is so low to the ground. And other suspension mods that it has on it, has a Comtech strut bar on it, which is actually a pretty rare part. I have a harness bar by Titanium Dave. There's NSXR chassis bars on the front, which you can't see. They're actually hidden by the bumper. And there's also downforce track front lip on the car as well. The car has Angus exhaust on it. Also, it has a replica carbon NSXR diffuser on the rear, which actually fits very well. The rear balance is actually updated from the 02 model, just to give it a little more aggressive stance in the back. The car also has JDM taillights are slightly darker than the USMD ones. They also have the center logo as an H instead of the Acura symbol on the back. And that's pretty much it. Basically did a lot of suspension mods to set it up for kind of track use and canyon running.
I just want to thank Tony for bringing his car out. If you like content like this, consider liking, subscribing, and just sharing it. It just helps the channel grow. Also, follow me on Instagram if you want to see content daily. I post a lot of car stuff, so follow me. Again, thank you for everything, and see you in the next video. Peace.